We have cards here.
We're at Target, about to do some Target shopping, cause we're Target shoppers in the Target, yeah. All these white people going in the Target, look at all these white people, yeah. But we're not racist, so we don't mind shopping with white people in the Target.
What did she say? I don't know, I heard something about sugar.
What? That's not what I said at all. Red everywhere, can't see. Red everywhere, blood gang.
Muffin's cough was not real.
Okay, go ahead to the
What you say? My cough is what? What you say? Why they need a whole cart? Why we need a whole cart?
Chinese jeans. Bless you. Don't you, Joe?
Oh, look at you being a good citizen saying bless you to random people. You
That's
random.
not a human being. That's not a citizen. Bull what?
Bull sex.
Don't. We're not. Fanny packs, please.
What do you need a fanny pack for?
So I can jog. And on days like this, when I don't feel like, when I'm just running errands. Jay, can you go to the girls? Can you go?
Come on with me, Muffin.
No,
Come with me.
I want to stay with my mommy.
What?
Ooh, scars. Look
No.
at me. Sexy
Come
old
on,
scars.
Muffin.
Close, please. We can't be in here all night. Why is it calling? Please stop making that noise if I stay here.
Shh, no.
Alright, go.
Muffin, come with me.
Jay, I don't want to come with you.
Yes, Mommy.
You need to go.
I am.
No, I don't want to come with you.
Where's the girl section?
You probably need to be in like petite
Okay, where's petite?
section, but
Okay, where's women's section?
Jay, get off of me.
no way. That's the wrong way.
My, all right.
Active wear. It should be here in active. Okay, y'all go follow me.
Ma, no, here, take the cart. Where are you going?
No, we're not taking a cart. You go.
You need the cart, Jerry. Here, take it.
Fridge, what do you want, medium or small? I think medium.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Look at the cereal. Yeah, baby. Reese's Puffs.
Where's cereal?
It's over there, stupid.
Oh, this is BF. Ooh, that's
You need jeans. These are not jeans.
all right.
What are you?
These things are extra stupid big. Look. This is annoying me. Hold on. Let me put this down. Oh wait, move. Back it up.
More white people.
Girl. What if people see this when I'm famous?
Well, then what they freaking do? Where did you come from?
Hey, girl.
Find your name, girl.
I don't know. I'm not following you around. No. Bye. I'm over here with Mom.
That says extra large and I don't care. What? Look inside your